In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create real estate social media posts with Jasper AI. Whether you're a new agent or a seasoned marketer, this quick workflow will help you turn property details into a polished social post in minutes. First, open Jasper and head straight to the home area. This is the main dashboard where you can start new tasks and see suggestions. If you've been bouncing around other tools, coming back to home, make sure you're starting with a clean slate and the latest features in view. On the left side of the screen, click Home to confirm you're in the right place. You'll notice a simple layout designed to get you creating fast without digging through menus. Next, look for the Ask Anything field and click into it. This is Jasper's conversational box where you give it a plain language request. Think of it as your starting command. You describe what you want, and Jasper shapes the output around that request. Now, type your prompt. Be specific so Jasper understands the essentials of your listing and the platform you're posting to. For this example, enter, write a Facebook post for a 3-bedroom house for sale in Miami with a pool. Including the platform and a few key features helps Jasper match tone, length, and highlights to Facebook best practices. When your prompt looks right, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will process your request and draft a ready-to-use post. Give it a moment. You should see a clear, marketing-friendly caption that calls out the bedrooms, the location, and that backyard pool, perfect for capturing attention in a crowded feed. From the results, choose Use to select the option you like. This tells Jasper which direction you want to move forward with. Then click Generate Now. This step finalizes the content based on your selection and can produce refined variations that keep the core details while tightening the copy. As a quick tip, you can improve the results by working details directly into your prompt, such as price range, neighborhood attractions, open house dates, or a desired tone like upbeat, luxury, or family-friendly. You can also mention a call to action like schedule a showing today to help drive inquiries. If your market has specific compliance or fair housing guidelines, include a short note in your prompt so the language stays aligned. And that's the full flow. Home, ask anything, type your prompt, send, choose use, and generate now. With this simple sequence, you can produce consistent, on-brand Facebook posts for new listings in seconds.